Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about two indicators which we have developed. Like I've been talking on my website brameshtechanalysis.com. Note down the first 15 minutes high and low and how we can use it to take a trade. So these are the two indicators which have been developed in Pine script, and the name is intraday ratios and Gann intraday. So both these indicators are very helpful in intraday trading, and we have started a subscription based model for these indicators. So anyone who wants to subscribe to these indicators can go to my website and just visit this Gann and S2 indicators, and in that you will be presented by for these two indicators. I mean, you can pay that fees and let us know, and then we can activate these indicators in your trading view account. So what I am discussing today is this Gann intraday BTA, which is basically an intraday indicator to know where to enter and exit. And I've been publishing these images of the indicators on my Twitter, and a lot of people are confused how to use them. So I'll be discussing on that, and the second one which I'll be discussing about this intraday ratios. So now let's start quickly. So basically, what is this intraday ratio? So basically, this is very helpful when there is an important Gann and Astro date. So, I mean, it cannot be used every day. So generally we use it on the days when there are important, like today was an important astro date. And if you can see my website, I have clearly mentioned on yesterday's analysis, which I posted. Let's go here, Nifty 13th October weekly expiry analysis. In this, we have clearly mentioned, like, note down the first 15 minutes high and low, and it will guide you what could be the potential move of the market. So we have few important aspects tomorrow, which involves Mercury and Pluto. And as like for tomorrow, first 15 minutes high and low will guide for the day. So what we have to do is basically come to Trading View, and the first 15 minutes high was 17. Yeah, so this is 915 candle. So 17112 and 17073. So you just click on this indicator, and in the setting just type 17112 and 17073. Just put these values and you'll get these. So about this green line we are bullish about the high, and the stop loss is the low, and my first target is 17151, and these are my four targets. Similarly, below this red line I have to go short, and these are my targets on downside. Now how do I take a trade? So I basically go and take a trade on a 5 minutes candle, and so it breached the low here. So this is a confirmation that the trade can be initiated, and I'll keep this stop loss. My first target is this. Once this is achieved, I move my stop loss to this point. My second target is this, which is 16995. I move my stop loss here. So here my trailing stop loss got triggered. So basically you can capture these two moves. And if you're a little bit aggressive, you can keep this stop loss. But generally, if you're a conservative trader, keep moving your stop losses like this. It went down and hit all the four targets, but you got stopped out here. If you're a conservative trader, and if you're aggressive, you can ride the whole move. So this is a simple way, and this can be applied on any instrument. So let me quickly show you an example of Bank Nifty also. So I'll just change it here, Bank Nifty. I mean, any stock, any instrument because these are just pure mathematical calculations. So if you see here Bank Nifty, again you click on intraday ratio, and what is the first 15 minutes high? So first I'll go to a 15 minutes chart, click on the indicator, and this was the first 15 minutes high, which was 39050, and low is 38905. 39050 and low is 38905. Enter these two values, it will automatically draw the lines. Then go to a 5 minute chart to see where the trade got initiated. I want a 5 minutes candle to close above and below this level. It went above it but didn't close. Here it was clearly closing below it, so I'll take a short trade here. This is my target. This is my first target. This is my second target. This is my third target. So it did all the targets here without hitting the trailing stop loss. So this is a simple way you can use it. And let's take an example of any random stock. Let's take Reliance as an example. I mean, you can apply it on any stock per se. So Reliance Industries, uh, you know, again a 15 minutes chart, and you can apply on any given day. Like if you take this candle, or let's take today's example, which is 13th. Uh, So it mean again I click on this intraday ratio. The high was 2372 and low was 2361. 2372, 2361. So plan is clear. So Nifty was bearish, I see here. And again I'll go to a 5 minute chart, and you can see here, it didn't breach the low, and it breached. Now this was a very big move. It breached the high with a big candle. So you wait, enter, try to enter near these levels. Don't just rush for the trade. And it did your first target, and then it did your second target also. So this is a very simple way in which you can use this intraday ratio indicator. Hope it is clear. Now I'll move to the next one, which is Gann intraday. So in that, what you have to do is, let me quickly show you here. So basically, I mean, this is a very, very dynamic indicator. So you just close here. I'll just go here and just click on Gann intraday. Now in this, what is happening is it will generate three lines. I mean, basically four lines. One is green line. So basically above this line, you have to go bullish. This is blue line, which is your stop loss, and this is red line, which is your target. So basically, it gave you a short trade here today, and it did your first target, the black line, and the blue line, it didn't hit your stop loss, right? So basically, if you short at 17039, you have a big target of 16973, which is almost like around 50-60 points intraday. Similarly, if you can see here, it went above this green line. A candle needs to close below this line. This is very, very important. So nothing happened here, nothing happened here. It went above the green line, so we went long with this blue line as stop loss, and we have to close the trade by the end of the day. If you see SPX, I mean, this can be applied on any instrument per se. See here, this is today's data. It went above the green line. Blue line is your stop loss, and this is your target. So this can be applied on any instrument. Let me open, let's suppose Nasdaq. Any instrument of your choice, you can apply this. So this is Nasdaq. No, this is some other instrument. Let's quickly open Nasdaq. NQ. Yeah, NDX. Yep, see here. So above green line we go long. Blue line is your stop loss. First target, it hit your trailing stop loss here. But again, if you want to enter, at the trend is on the bullish side, you can enter above these black lines and take the trade. So this is a very, very simple way, and I mean, you can select how many days, so you can back test it also. So this is a very, very straightforward indicator. Just go and apply and use this. Now, having said that, these are just indicators, mathematical value. At the end of the day, it is uh, you know your discipline. When the target is coming, did you exit the trade? Your urge to overtrade. Suppose you get stopped out here, you're seeing these values again, you want to re-enter. And at the end of the day, it's your risk and money management which will decide your success and failure in the market. These are just edges. They are just 20-30% of the move, but at least you will have some edge where to enter. Now see, this is bank nifty on Gann intraday. Again, this red line, it was a clear cut short trade. First target done, second target done. You keep moving your stop loss, and it did all the four targets. So this is just an edge, way to enter, way to exit. There was no long trade here. So very, very simple indicators. They are available as per subscription model. Like I told you, you can apply on the website. And if not, I mean, this is not the only thing. There are a lot of things available, so you can develop on your own. So this is like, I've been out for last few days, and I was not able to update the site, and a lot of people were asking for the levels. So so that is where we decided to develop this you know these indicators. And I got a very good person who is helping me out, Bablu. He's helping me out in developing these indicators. So if you want to develop any kind of indicators, you can contact him. uh, you know so I mean, it's all the details are available on my web page, the Gann S2 indicator. So yeah, that's about it. A very short and sweet video how to use these two indicators. For other indicators also, I'll create a video. But as of now, use this, and let's see what is in scope. Stay disciplined. Best wishes.